Learning scripting is always very powerful. Now in this video, we are going to learn about the /L switch. What is it? We are going to get introduced to the /L switch. So let's move on to our screen and let's get started. Fantastic. So let's say if I'm going to ask you during the childhood time, our teacher used to say, write 1 to 100, write 1 to 100 10 times. So I still remember during the first standard, the teacher used to ask who is going to write it first. I'm going to, give it some surprise. So again, we are in the uh, command prompt. If I knew this at that time, it would have been much easier. So let's see how that can be done. So here I'm going to say at the rate echo off. Okay, so what is my job? I need to print 1 to 100. Pretty simple. So I'll use something called for, and there's a switch called L switch. Okay, so what is this? What is the meaning of L? I am going to show you. So here let's write the syntax first, then I'm going to explain. Then I will say in, then within the bracket I will start from 0 and I'm going to end at 100, and in between I'll write something. You have to take every time one step, because 1 then 2 then 3, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, right? So I'll take one step. So what happened? What did you understand from this one? This is your start point. This is your the first one is your start point, the first one, okay, and this one, the last 100, is your end point, and this is your steps. What is the length of your step? One step, okay, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus, like that it will continue, okay. And then I'm going to say do. So this is your syntax, okay, and here I'm going to print that. To print, I will simply say percentage I, and then I'm going to end it. Okay, so meaning of L. So when I write L, this start, end, and step. Start, step, end. Okay, start, this is step, this is end. So these three things will function when you go for a L switch. Okay, that is why the L switch is built in for. Okay, so now if I use this, see, just I took few seconds to complete it, and if I run it, it will be quite easy. You can see on my screen 1 to 100 got printed within matter of seconds. Okay, 1 to 100. Okay, you can see 1 to 100 got printed in the matter of seconds. So you understood the use of L switch. Okay, this is how you will be writing when you have to use the start, step, and end. Let's say I would like to print first. I have to print 1, then I have to print 3, then I have to print 5. If I have to do like that, then all I will do, I'll increase it by 2. Okay, so if I increase it by 2, if I save it and if I run this, you will see there's a difference of 2 in each of the output. So for example, if you see, the first output has come 1, then 3, then 5, 7, 9, like that it continued till 99. Getting it, the same thing can be achieved, whatever you write. Now let me write, let's say 4. Okay, this is the step. Now if I'm going to run it, so you can see the differences of 4 has appeared on my screen. Okay, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9. So now with this example you must have understood what is the use of it. Now you will have a question: can I start from a minus number? Can I start something like -1? Can I do it? Let's see that. So let me run it. Okay, so you can see it has printed -1 plus 4 become 3, like that it started. Okay, now what if I am going to write a minus here, -4? Okay, then this cannot reach 100, right? It will go to infinity. -1 -4. So what? So anyways, so give it a pause here. Okay, otherwise if it gets into an infinity loop, it will be a problem. So let's do that. Okay, so what is happening? That is not functioning. A step has to be a positive step. Now let's say if I make 100. Okay, it has printed -1 -5, so that works. You can see, right? Because it has to be that side, right? The minus side. It will continue to work like that. Okay, so you got enough examples. You can experiment a little more, if you have any kind of experiment you would like to do. So this is the basic use of your 4/L switch. Okay, in the next video we are going to learn about set local. Okay, so because I have to teach you set local, this was very important for you to at least understand how this one is how this one functions, so we can move on to set local and understand the usage. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Let's move on to our next topic.